So here we have this problem. List all the possible rational solution of 6x to the third plus x squared plus 11. So what you do is you look at your leading coefficient, which is your 6. That's your leading coefficient. And then you look at your constant, which is 11, which is the number with no x. Okay, and then what you do is you find the factors of 11. So 11 factors. And that will be 1 and 11, right? So those are the factors of 11 is 1 and 11 because there's nothing else that goes into 11. There's like 2 times whatever doesn't give you 11. So now let's look at 6. Factors of 6. And factors of 6 are 1 and 6, 2 and 3. Because 1 times 6 is 6, and then 2 times 3 is 3, and if you go on, 3 times 2 is 6, so no repeats. You don't want to keep the repeats, and there's nothing more. So now that is all, and all you have to do is take the constant, so that you take this, you take this guy, divided by this guy, basically. So, here we go. So each one, so we could start with 1. Let's start with the 1. I'm going to put in blue. So it's 1 divided by 1. So you do this one. And that is 1, right? And then you go, so it's, then you go 1 again, divided by the 6. That's 1 over 6. And then you do the 1 again, divided by the 2 now. That's 1/2. And then you do the 1 divided by the 3. So that equals 1/3. All right. And then now you go to the, now we do the 11. Because that's the next factor. So 11 divided by the 1. 11 divided by 1 is 11. And then you go to the next one. 11 divided by the next number is 6. So 11 divided by 6. Simplify, it's still 11 divided by 6. The next one. 11 divided by 2. You divide by 2. So that you keep it as 11 divided by 2 because you can't simplify. The next one. 11 divided by 3. And that's 11 divided by 3. So now your list will be, each one of these have a positive and negative. So you have to list the negative as well. So the answers are 1, comma, negative 1. I just did that. Now the next one, comma, 1, comma, negative 1/6. Press that. Next one would be 1/2 and negative 1/2. So you had to put positive and negativo with it. Comma, 1 divided by 3, comma, negative 1/3. All right, next list is 11. And then you also need a negative 11. And then 11 over 6. And then you need the negative 11 over 6. And then you do 11/2, comma, negative 11/2. And we're almost done. And negative 11, comma, negative 11/3. And that is all the possible rational solution of this equation. All right. So when you look at it, you want to list them all out on paper and then look at which one matches your answer. And you're done. That's it. Okay.